So in this video we'll make our next program to print the series. So suppose I want to print the series as 1, 3, 5 and 7 up to 7, 9 and up to n terms. Okay. So for this, first we need to make the plan. Okay, so our plan is first we need to mention the term and the counter. Okay, so in this case if I talk about the term. Okay, so first thing is the term. So if I talk about term here, we are having the term as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to n terms. And the second thing is about the counter, that is the CNT. Okay, if I talk about CNT, the one when we have to print 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you can clearly see over here that these are the odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so now we'll make the program. Okay, so I'll name the class as pet series. Okay, so this is series dot java. Okay, I'll also name the first letter as capital, which is a convention in Java, so you must follow it. It is beneficial for you. Yeah, it is not compulsory, it will not give you an error, but you should follow it. It is a good practice. And the main function, that is public static void main, and the string type argument inside it. Okay. Now, as I need to print the series, first of all, I'll need two things which I have talked about. That is, first is term and second is the counter CNT, and one more variable n for the while loop. Okay, so we'll initialize n is equals to 5. Here I am taking 5. You can take 9 also, whatever you want, up to whatever n here you want to print. You can take here 39 or whatever you want. Okay. So now I have taken here 5 to make you understand. Now I'll also initialize the term variable, that is to CNT and 1. As where I have drawn here the term and counter series. So the term you can clearly see here starting from 1. So in term I have stored 1 and the counter also will start from 1. That's why. Okay, now I have the while loop and the condition is we need to print it till n. So the counter variable will print till less than and equals to n. So when I am giving here 5, I also want 5 to be printed. I don't want only 1 and 3. I want the output to be 1, 3 and 5. That's why I am putting here equals. Then in the while loop, we'll have to print the term variable. So system.out.println and the term variable. Also, I'll give a tab after it. This is the escape sequence, that is /t, which will give a 4 spaces, that is tab. Okay, after each term is printed, and now we'll increment term by 2. So term plus equals, this is the shorthand operator, term plus equals 2, and then we'll also increment the counter. Okay, now we'll save this and we'll run it. So this is Java C and series dot Java. We'll run it Java and the class name is series. Yeah, we got 1, 3, 5. Oh, I gave here. Oh, I have put it here ln. So this will change the line. So now I have changed it. So now this will not be the output. It will be in same row. Yes, this is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Oh, I'm extremely sorry. I just told you that this will print till 1, 3 and 5. By n is equals to 5, it means that we need to give 5 numbers in the output. So you can see here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers in the output. Okay. So similarly, if I change here to 17 and save this and again compile and run this, we got here a huge bunch of output and we are having with us 17 numbers in total. Okay, so I'll also make a quick dry run. Okay, so we are having here term. I'll denote it with t. This is the counter c and this is the variable n. In term and counter we have 1 and 1 initially, and in n we have 5. I am taking the example of 5. Okay, so this till here we are done. Now it will go and check this condition. The yes counter is less than equals n, as 1 is less than n equal to 5. Yeah, so this condition is true. So we'll print the term, that is 1. In term you can see here we are having 1 and we'll give a tab. Now we'll increment term by 2. So this is 3. Now we'll increment counter by 1, that is 2. Now we'll again check, yes counter is less than equals n, means 2 is less than equals 5. So now we'll print term. In term we are having 3, so I'll print 3 and the tab here. Then the term is incremented with value 2. So we are having 5 in term and the counter is incremented by 1. So we are having 3 net. As 3 is, now we'll again check the condition, yes counter is less than equals n, means 3 is less than equals 5. So we'll now print the value in term, that is 5 and tab, then incrementing this by 2, which means 7, incremented it by 1, that means 4, and now again 4 is less than 5, so we'll print the value in term, that is 7 and tab and increment it with 2, that is 9, incremented by 1, that is 5. Now 5 is equals to 5, yes, so this condition is again true. So we'll now again print the value present in the term variable, that is 9. Okay, and the tab. Now we'll increment term by 2, that is we have 11 in it, and it will increment it by 1, that means 6. Now you can clearly see here 6 is not less than equals to 5. So now the condition is false over here, that means counter is not less than equals n. So we'll now come out of the while loop and the program will be finished. So you can see here this was the output on our console, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. That means we gave the output as 5. So we got 5 numbers in the console screen. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video we'll take some more examples of the series for practicing the while loop and understanding its concept. Thank you.